Hello, I'm Kwun.
And my name is Marquise.
Okay, today I'm going to show you a fraction model. So,
We're going to start by choosing a numerator and denominator number so that we can model this as a mixed number, a decimal, and a percent.
and right now you want to take out a pen and a paper and to write down the following four items. First thing is the percentage, and you also need to write down the decimal and the mixed number and the fraction number.
So we're going to choose by moving the numerator and denominator to pick a number.
Let's see. First, we are going to pick number 16. Okay. And for denominator, we are going to choose 3. So first, you can see there's like six pi, and which each pi can represent as a whole, and each pi was divided into three part. And when you count all the part that was being colored by purple, you will get the number 16. And there is one pi left over. It only has one part filled in, and we can know that it is
There's 5 pies that are completely colored in, so that would be your whole number. So you have 5 for your whole number. And then with the pie that has one colored piece out of the 3, that will make a fraction. So that fraction will be 1 over 3. So that's how you get your mixed number.
okay. And by doing the decimal, you are going to flip the
The 5 is your whole number, so it will go in front of the decimal. And then you have 1/3 for your fraction. And you all know how to knock it over and divide. So you're going to divide 3 into 1 in order to get your decimal.
so do you get 5.33?
Repeating.
Okay. And next we are going to get our percentage.
And we know for percentages, if you have your decimal number already, you can just move your decimal point over 2 places to the right. So if you move your decimal over 2 places to the right, you will get 533.33 repeating percent.
Okay. So we have our fraction as 16 over 3. Our mixed number is 5 1 over 3, and we have our decimal number as 5.333, and our percentage is 533 and 0.33.
And just so that you guys can get a better idea of fractions, we're going to change our picture. So we have a pie graph here. We can also represent this in length. So now you see the same representation in a different shape. So we have 5 full rectangles that are filled in, and then you have one rectangle again that has one colored in, and out of the 3, so you have 1/3 again as your fraction.
Okay, so that's the first part of our practice. And next we are going to change it to another number. So we will pick number 25, and we can have our number denominator as 7.
And you guys can work on this one yourself for guided practice.
Okay, and have you got the fraction part? Our fraction part should have, if you count the part, the color part, you should get 25 of them as the numerator we have. And for denominator, because each of them were grouped by 7, so you know the denominator is 7. So the fraction you have is 25 over 7. For the mixed number, you can see that there are three lengths that was being colored completely. So you have 3 of them completely colored.
That will be your whole number for your mixed number.
And for the one that is not completed, you have four of them color
out of.
out of seven.
So
So
your mixed number should be 3 and 4 seconds.
mhm,
Then for your decimal, once again, you have your whole number, which is 3, so that is the number that will go before the decimal. And again, for your fraction, you would knock it over and divide. So you're going to divide 7 into 4, and you should get a decimal of 0.5714. So your complete decimal should be 3 and 5,714 ten thousandths.
mhm.
And again, for your percent, all you have to do is move your decimal place 2 places to the right. So you should get 357.14%.
Okay, and we are going to show you another way of representing this number. In here you see it is this the same uh, thing that you just been working on, and there are four group. Each group has was grouped by seven, and you see there are three group as a whole, filling with seven butterfly, and the last one you only have four out of seven, so you have the same thing. Okay, then
That's our
that's
lesson.
our lesson. Thank you.